Hi, this is Carla Ann, the car lady from Highway Mazda and Steinbach. And do you see that little word there that says auto? That is what we're going to be talking about today, the auto headlight feature on your vehicle. You'll notice that it also goes up to the off position. And you'll see there's a little light here and then it goes to auto. The little light means that during the off position or the auto position, your daytime running lights are on. Now if you switch it to this, that'll be just your parking lights, and this means that your headlamps are on and your tail lights. Now your tail lights come on with auto as well, but not with this one. All right, now why do we care about this one or this one? Why don't we just always leave it on auto? Now auto is typically when you are going to want to use your car in normal everyday conditions. You're going to want to have it in automatic, because that means as it gets bright, your lights will turn off, and as it gets dark, your lights will turn on. That way you don't end up being that crazy person who forgets to turn their lights on when you're driving in the city and it doesn't seem so dark because the street lights are on. So you don't want to do that. But auto is very, very nice. It's a safety feature for you. Now, the only problem is if you are driving, for example, in daytime blustery conditions, or maybe it's foggy, then your lights are going to be on if you have your daytime running lights on and your auto on, but your tail lights won't be on because your auto lights actually won't be turning on because it's not dark outside. So the best thing is in blustery or in foggy conditions during the day, you're going to want to turn your headlights on, not just auto, so that both your headlights and your tail lights are on. There's a few other times where you might want to turn your headlights on instead of using auto, and that might be in a funeral procession where you have to have them on. Otherwise, during the day, they don't turn on. Or if you're driving through a tunnel that requires you to have your headlights on, then take it off auto and put it onto the regular headlight setting so that you have both headlights and taillights activated. All right, if you have any more questions about that auto headlights feature on your car, give me a call. It's Carla Ann, the car lady, at highwaymazda.ca or 204-326-6437. Have a great day.